Have you ever needed to count the number of items that meet multiple specific criteria in a large dataset without having to manually go through each row? Or do you have a dataset that is constantly changing and you need to be able to get an updated count to report out on daily or weekly? Let's take a look at how to do just that. We have a fictitious dataset of customers that contains their contact information and order history. If we need to set up a count to keep track of the number of customers we have in a specific state and have ordered more than $10,000 worth of product, we can use the COUNTIFS function on the state and the total order amount columns. If you need to count the total number of customers on one criteria, you can use the COUNTIF function. Check out the card on the top right hand corner of the screen for a full explanation of how to use the COUNTIF function. In cell B1, if we type equals, COUNTIF, open brackets, and then select the entire state column by selecting the column header label H, followed by a comma, then in double quotation marks type Texas, followed by another double quotation mark, then comma, and then select column L for the last order quantity, followed by a comma, and then another double quote, greater than, equals, double quote, ampersand, which is the symbol above the 7 key on most keyboards, 10,000, then close the bracket. Press enter and it will show that we have 16 customers in Texas with total orders greater than or equal to $10,000. We can change the function to reference A1 instead of typing out Texas, and reference A2 instead of typing out 10,000. This will allow us to change the state name in cells A1 and automatically update the number of customers in that state with orders over $10,000. Now, if we change A1 to North Carolina, B1 will automatically update to show that we have 10 customers with over $10,000 in orders in North Carolina. If we want to increase our threshold to 15,000, we just have to update the value in cell A2, and we'll see that there are 8 customers in North Carolina with orders over $15,000. If you want to see how to use drop-down lists, check out the video card in the top right-hand corner of the screen now. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe by hitting the Tip Bytes logo on the left-hand side of the screen. We release new content daily. For other helpful videos, check out the suggestions on the right-hand side of the screen.